Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, and today we have a 2014 Ford Fiesta Ambiente, stock reference number 5068. The shape runs from the 6th month 2013 through to the 12th month 2019. It has a 1.5 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by a 5-speed manual front-wheel drive transmission. 1.5 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. We have the left front 15-inch steel rim with an average tyre, left power door mirror. Left front door appears to have no damage, left rear door has one small dent, left rear 15-inch steel rim with an average tyre, left tail light, tidy rear bumper cover, tailgate appears to have no damage, right hand tailgate, tail light, right rear 15-inch steel rim with an average tyre, both right hand doors appear to have no damage, right front 15-inch steel rim with an average tyre as well, driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black cloth interior, manual type console, 5-speed manual gear shifter, heated controls, CD player, head unit and control panel, display cluster, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, left sun visor, right sun visor, and the instrument cluster. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.